Well, today we have a very prominent personality with us, that is Mr. Mohammed Ali Roomi. May I now invite Dr. Zahir, Associate Professor of Department of Computer Sciences, to escort the dignitary on the dais and welcome him with a token of love and gratitude. Mohammed Ali Roomi is a versatile educator and a guest faculty with strong command in UPSC Civil Services examination coaching. Mr. Roomi is well known for his easy accessibility to the students and providing constructive and thoughtful analysis about the strengths and weakness of the students. His exceptional teaching methodology is simple and full of practical examples, which makes each lecture interesting. Under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Roomi, an aspirant learns the art of writing answers with the right blend of theories and facts. His hold on general studies is unmatched. He has successfully mentored thousands of IAS and IPS aspirants and civil service examination aspirants in the last 5 years. He is a specialist in public administration, paper 1 and paper 2 for IPS and IAS coaching. His ability to connect the past with the present not only helps a student to understand the contemporary issues confronting the nation, but also makes the student of past both lively and interesting. We are proud and happy to have Mr. Mohammed Ali Roomi with us today. Over to you, sir.